According to many, if not all, innovative forms of modern scientific technological equipment play a key role in the modern development and social networking circles which exist within an online social media environment. This environment is frequently used by adults as well as adolescents, to the extent in which 90% of the world's population will have access to all leisure or social media forms of modern digital and computerized software technology by 2020. Mobile phones, computers, iPads, iPods, and MP3 technology are now so commonly used by the social mindset, to the extent in which they have become firmly established as valued tools in a society which thrives on the ability to communicate and understand. Bearing this in mind, leisure and household electronics have massively developed since the turn of the millennium in order to adapt to the modern leisure and social needs of Android as well as autonomous technology. However, does owning the most recent household technology and equipment reflect our social stature as well as our ability to use these most recent forms of information technology? Even the media and mobile phone industries are experiencing a boost in the number of adolescent consumers who own an iPod, iPad, phone or tablet. The creation of modern media communication technology has in effect not only unlocked the secret of sustainable energy, but also how communication, whether it be on Earth or throughout the solar system, can be used most effectively in order to transport data from one location to the other. The rewards of research into advanced autonomous concepts in robotics, machinery or artificial intelligence have progressed to new levels of independent operational performance related to certain important aspects in space travel and satellite navigation of vessels which constantly patrol the sea territories in treacherous and unpredictable conditions. There are many different possibilities linked to the study of artificial intelligence. One of these possibilities is the issue of road safety. There are hundreds of thousands of fatal or serious road traffic accidents which take place worldwide every year, which could have been avoided if, for instance, the victim had not overconsumed alcohol before attempting to drive a vehicle. The obvious solution would be the safety of a vehicle which could drive itself. This would also be useful for emergency and law enforcement vehicles to arrive at a call quickly and safely without the risk of collision with pedestrians or other obstacles on the road. Unfortunately, even with breakthroughs in new autonomous machines and equipment, most of the technology contained within these new concepts in artificial intelligence are still only as efficient as the human intelligence with which this technology is programmed, and will always be prone to malfunction of some of the programmable software installed within the device without constant maintenance and installation of upgraded parts and equipment. The manufacture of autonomous equipment or artificially intelligent technology is an extremely detailed process which requires the technology not only to follow the data stored within the mechanism, but also the ability to improvise and create solutions according to the circumstances surrounding its usage and capabilities. Also, autonomous and artificially intelligent technology has many valuable uses which have developed significantly throughout the start of the millennium within the media as well as the motoring industries, simply due to the endless possibilities which have been recognized within the research of this highly complicated phenomena over the past 2 decades, which, if successful, would result in the outlook of a society completely controlled by machines. However, these experiments within the development of artificial intelligence are relatively contemporary concepts which could still be utilized for defense purposes, for example in the act of warfare, which still must be researched in order to unlock the technology's full capabilities when used within these situations. Also, skeptics still believe that regardless of the future advances within these concepts, achieving the same forms of artificial intelligence within these machines as the human brain is next to the impossible.